we realized that rescue alone was not enough. We needed to add to it discipleship, education, and skilling. So we can send out girls who are strong enough to raise their children and be impact of change in their community.
Naengaambia ahora ng'aniamba yaba mama uliomini waka bimisi desveyaliaka wanamaliza kuzao kwanda wa na mzani 16 years wani musini ya tinkuna isani mau tato mama hizo kuzaa tato anderia yekere na namba tena kuiza kusoma tata na kalashi kama nene chana ubekama rastet na langa ugaman dada ya mukazi ya emada tebika mina ngumsa tena ka namba yambona bitawira biyi wanaswa bona katina sagado moto wa natamula nerulan wo bino wo ka absita nenga eshuro chancha singa kuna musenti nja kufuna ngolashi side zile oban ne mukosi ona kochi ne usome nenga ndio wengine tunampisa bumenti kutoka sera noraba kakoso bayaka kutokunya olwasi mugazi musajja tati awulingamba nanula mbokozeshi angane.
Of course, these girls always feel left out. Just imagine a group of girls, maybe this girl had her friends, for instance, in primary, and then she gets kidnapped. Of course, her friends will distance themselves from her, even if they don't want, but their parents will tell them that, you know what, don't actually come near this person. This person actually is going to spoil you. And as Pambazuka, we have a program where we skill these mothers for a period of 6 months. We give them skills, vocational skills such as tailoring, hairdressing, baking, and other skills which can help them survive in this unforgiving world.
This skilling is different because when a girl comes here, they go through discipleship. So by the time they get out of this place, they are not only equipped as tailors, but they go out to share the gospel. They go out as readers. They go out as stronger mothers. We teach them parenting as well. So they go out as stronger mothers who are able to stand for themselves, stand for their children, and compete in the business market.
Enabali bamande Evanda excella wandoyana to Pambazuka Ministries. Tambitide mutabani we bendisi tandi kusomera Morocco village. Yamina ngainenda kuone ngakanenga gozile wakana nakagoye. Mfuli asanyu mpulira sanyu kanenga rona ganza ntuza kana tuingateka tungisanda. Yimbina ndanza ngakampani sanyu September last year 2025. Kutani kusoma kwa 6 months. Naye mwanje nezo mukaga dinanje dasumi kwa windi daveda obulamu bugenda nkozeshi bochi usama kubana wayini wonalinga ngenda kwa zibina shigendere babisere bisinga namane ndi vamo nenamba ataka kinida kola shi ataka kintali no ne transgable wanu ne soma ko mendo terete soma ko business yo wakatuwe ne dale advise rabawa kujikira tulimu banji nzenda bagati ngenda nshuka tena enjoki better tunalinda yao sisinkana n'umuco Amerika kasagasa kana ntrecho oinecho kumala obato inanenga bafana basenga chafamila bawalga menusulege munjindio kwa yemporira naye efolala n'abana bo wari mabaja byo konkubana naye yapisi bankwini kaje mi mama se ndimela genga mbona babayigese ngithago mumivire zawali Vini we prince neza kokujya mpamna shuko nokusokera dara wena bere Pambazuka sembaja ukaraisa dara nkam ntibantu bakabera ne kadrowing so violent do kunchimese zedara echiba ngokuba maka mafishi ngira katu buliranga nkamara nali ndira musembeze nyangu ne ngera mwiga era ndoba nangeza awantu saawa zino kati nyinamu ideas nyingi. Ninamu idea y'ekyalaani, enviiri namumikia kati neya keeki bulungi gina crocheting tetimbirina kati buli wenduulawo ngamba si saawa zino sirikunda ndibuno tapu and wanta yirika joma attention and living good. I know plans is a plan is a nungi geturi a plan z'obuwanguzi siza gira kubanga nze munange nali mbeddemu amayinine nabanga nina essuubi ate